Okay, we're back. I'm Mark and this is Erica, and we're about to demonstrate the fitness portion of the runner challenge test. So Erica is going to demonstrate the first part of the fitness test, which are push-ups. And there's two versions that we're going to use. We're going to use modified and regular push-ups. Now, right now Erica's in a regular push-up format. And so the way we're going to do this is we're going to have our legs spread about shoulder width apart. Our arms are going to be about shoulder width apart, and we're going to go all the way down for a full push-up. Erica will demonstrate. Boom. That was perfect form, perfect push-up. Now, that's for the regular push-ups. Now, here's some ways I don't want you to do it. Go ahead and put your legs back together, Erica, and have your butt stick up just a little, and try and go down with that. I don't want to see push-ups like this. This is not a proper push-up. So if you're at home and you're doing this and the person that you're doing this with tells you that your butt is too high and it doesn't look like the video, listen to them, because I want you to do your push-up correctly. Okay, now we're going to show you, if for whatever reason you have a wrist issue or something's hurting in your wrist and you can't do a regular push-up, we have modified push-ups. Now what Erica has done is she got down on her knees and she's at an angle. If she comes up a little bit, go ahead and come up a little bit. If she tries to do her push-up in this way, and go ahead and go down, that's not a modified push-up. I don't know what that is, but it's not a modified push-up. Go ahead and angle your knees and go ahead down for a push-up. That's a modified push-up. There's perfect form there. It looks good. It looks just like a regular push-up. It's just not using the full body. So that is the push-up. Next, we're going to go to the plank.